Welcome to week 9, Thursday. So we are doing Chinese this week, and today we travel to Kolkata, India, to look at a chili fish dish. This is my version of the classic Kolkata style chili fish. What I have done is I'm using mahi today, and I marinated that in some soy sauce, some Chinese wine, garlic, ginger, chili sauce, green chilies, and some red pepper flakes. And then for the sauce, what I have mixed here is soy sauce, Chinese vinegar, black vinegar, Chinese wine, ginger garlic paste, the whites of the green onions, and some red peppers. And I've kept this and marinated this for about an hour. The same here with the fish. So for the dish, what we have here is some onions, red and green bell peppers, some ginger, and then we have the greens of the green onions. And to garnish, we have some greens cut very on the diagonal, and then some red chilies. And to finish off, we have a little bit of sesame oil. So first we'll fry the fish, and then we'll cook the sauce and toss the fish in the sauce. So it should take no more than 35 to 40 minutes. The main time is the cooking of the fish, or the frying of the fish. So we'll do that in batches. We'll fry it twice. The first fry will be at around a 300-degree Fahrenheit temperature oil, and then we'll increase, once all the batch is done, we'll increase the temperature to about 375 and then fry it a second time. This will give it a much crispier skin. One of the other things that I forgot to mention that I added here is cornstarch, and I added at least half cup to a little more than half a cup of cornstarch here, and that will give a good proper binding along with 1 egg. So that's the binding that will provide the crispiness of the fish. So let's start cooking. The oil is at about 300, and then you can see I have the fish mixture here. So we'll taste one. Yeah, that's what we're looking for, that sizzle. It's about I don't want to overcrowd the pan. So I'll fry it in batches. So this is the first batch, and you can see this is just turning color. That's where I want this to be. So I'll just pick this up. So this is the first fry. We'll fry it once more at a higher temperature. And we'll put the second batch in. The first batch of the fish is done. So what we will do is, and this is normally not done in in the Kolkata style Chinese, but what I want to do here is I want to fry the chilies in here. We fried the chilies. I have turned the temperature up, so this is at around 375. So we'll fry the second batch. We'll basically put everything in and just we'll fry it for a few minutes, and so this will give it that crispiness that we are looking for. Fish is done. We'll take this out and cook the sauce. After frying the fish for the second time, I've taken out most of the oil, just kept a little bit. So at this point this is very fast, so put in the onion, the ginger, and the bell pepper. We'll fry it for a few minutes and then we put the sauce. You want to add the green onions. And then we'll add the sauce. The sauce is ready, so we'll add the fish. These are the fried green chilies. That's it. So we are done cooking. That's the Kolkata style chili fish. To finish this off, I'll put a little bit of sesame oil on top. And to garnish, some green onions and chilies. If you don't want to give so much chilies, that's your choice. Thank you for watching. Have a good night and bon appetit.